Hello my spooks, welcome back to my channel. Today is the last character in the trio of Lock, Shock, and Barrel. If you have not seen Lock and Shock, make sure you go back on my channel and watch those tutorials. Also, by the way, I got all three of the masks from Spirit Halloween. I had to search for those masks, I'll tell you what. And there's like 10 Spirit Halloweens in my area, so I had to find them, but I did, and I got all three of them. I primed my face with my Optical Illusion primer from Urban Decay, and now I'm just tracing out where I want that mouth to go. Like I said in the last video, I did all three of the characters very similarly. I did not really change any products or anything that I used. For my complexion, for my very beautiful pale complexion, I'm using my Clown White Light Cream Paint from Ben Nye. And also make sure you take it down your neck and cover your ears or any skin that will be showing. And I used my SFX set from NYX Professional Makeup to set the whole thing. For my eyebrows, I kind of wanted to try to make them match my wig a little bit, so I'm using Daffodil and Lemmy Green Super Brow Pomade from Kat Von D, and I mixed them together a little bit. My wig is like a weird, ugly green color with some yellow pieces in it, so I tried to make the eyebrows match as much as possible. Starting with our eye look, I'm using this lime green Primal color from NYX, and I'm just in a very messy manner applying that all in my crease, all over the eye, all over the lower part of my eye, and just making it super messy and not perfect whatsoever. To deepen it a little bit, I'm using the Star Crushed Minerals shadow. This is in Deep Forest, and I'm just putting that all over the lid and in the crease and on the lower lash line as well. And then I just took like an emerald green color and just helped smoke it out a little bit more. The color that I use is from the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. And I'm using it to contour my nose too. I go in with a black pencil in my lower waterline. And I add it to the top, and then I realize I want to make it thicker and more of like a black smoky eye, black and green smoky eye. So I take my Kat Von D Beauty basket case liner and just go to town on the lid and make it look super messy. And then I use my black Primal color from NYX and set that black liner and then really smoke it out a bunch more. I do it on my upper lash line into my crease, and I do it on my lower lash line as well. I also create like that little type of bag effect there. Make it look like I got some bags going on. To add some little detail marks, I'm using this Vivid Brights NYX liner in Vivid Envy. It's just a green liner, and I'm applying some of those little marks that we did for Lock and Shock as well. They just kind of, you know, give that Tim Burton, you know, style. I'm putting some mascara on. And then I put a pair of very dramatic false lashes on. Using my Prisma Cool colors from Mehron, or Paradise Paints from them, I am just doing the lips. I then trace out all the teeth. So Barrel has the most teeth out of the bunch. He's got a lot of them. It's like a little, he's like a little skeleton. So he's got a bunch of teeth going on there. And they're all basically like the same shape, the same size. I'm then using my Cloud White MagiCakes Aqua Paint from Ben Nye. I'm going to fill in each of those little toothers there. I then go in and fill in all the space around the teeth, my lips, all that good stuff, and I just kind of block off each tooth. I don't worry about it being perfect right away. I just want to make sure they're all separated. And also line the inner part of those lips where the lips and the teeth meet, so it's nice and separated. And then after you've done all of that, that's when I go in around each tooth and I make sure it's not like a super square tooth. I make sure they're a little bit rounded because that's just how it looks, especially on his mask. They're almost like rounded teeth. They're not square teeth. I'm then taking some green shadow and I'm just shading around the mouth in some areas, just to make it pop a little bit. And then I also outline the outside of the mouth, just like we did with the inside of the mouth. And that's it for this look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go check out Lock and Shock, and I will see you in my next Halloween video. Bye.